What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you use an alarm to wake up?
Yes, I set an alarm every night.
How do you feel when you wake up?
I feel refreshed and ready for school.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I never skip breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
What time do you leave for school?
I leave for school at 8 a.m.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus with my friends.
How long does it take you to get to school?
It takes about 20 minutes.
What do you do at school?
I study, learn, and make friends.
How many classes do you have today?
I have 3 classes today.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich and some fruits.
Do you eat lunch at home or at school?
I eat lunch at school.
What time is your lunch break?
My lunch break is at 11:30 a.m.
What classes do you have after lunch?
I usually have science and physical education.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Sometimes, but I try to stay focused.
Do you participate in any after-school activities?
Yes, I'm part of the soccer team.
What time do you finish these activities?
I finish practice around 5 p.m.
When do you do your homework?
I start my homework as soon as I get home.
How long does it usually take?
It takes about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the assignments.
What time do you have dinner?
We have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes, we all eat together.
What do you do to relax after studying?
I read, play video games, or watch TV.
Do you spend time with your family in the evening?
Yes, we usually talk or play board games.
What time do you go to bed?
I try to get to bed by 10 p.m.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I brush my teeth and read a bit before sleeping.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like hanging out with friends, playing sports, or going to the park.
Do you sleep in on weekends?
Yes, I sleep a little later on weekends.
How do you prepare for exams?
I make a study schedule and review my notes.
Do you study alone or with friends?
I usually study alone to focus better.
What's your favorite way to study?
I like to make flashcards and quiz myself.
Do you participate in class discussion?
Yes, I try to answer questions whenever I can.
Do you enjoy group projects?
Sometimes, but I prefer working independently.
How do you stay focused in class?
I take notes and avoid distraction.
Do you feel nervous before a test?
Sometimes, but I feel confident if I've studied well.
How do you review for test?
I go through my notes and practice past papers.
Do you study the night before a test?
No, I try to finish studying earlier and get a good night's sleep.
Do you pack your bag the night before?
Yes, I pack my books and supplies before going to bed.
How do you make sure you're prepared for school?
I check my schedule and homework before bed.
Do you study in groups sometimes?
Yes, I study with my friends before exams.
Do you visit the school library often?
Yes, I go there to study or borrow books.
What kind of books do you borrow from the library?
I like reading fiction and science books.
Do you enjoy quiet time in the library?
Yes, it's the perfect place to concentrate.
What are your hobbies after school?
I enjoy drawing, playing guitar, and reading.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love playing guitar.
Do you play outside in the evening?
Yes, I play soccer or ride my bike with friends.
How long do you play after school?
I play for about an hour before dinner.
What games do you enjoy playing?
I enjoy soccer and badminton the most.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do stretching exercises for 15 minutes.
How does morning exercise help you?
It makes me feel active and ready for the day.
Do you prepare exercise indoors or outdoors?
I prefer exercising outdoors in the fresh air.